What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? So you're trying to get my real IG, my real Telegram, all you gotta do is click the title in the description, and they will pop up all the links, all right? You click the link and it'll direct you to my official page, all right? And before anybody out there, y'all keeps getting scammed by these fake King Hussle pages, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? My Telegram, his name is not King Hussle nothing. My IG is King Hussle X1M. The link is in the bio. My backup IG is The Real King Hussle X1M. The link is in the bio, so you can't not miss it. All right, so before y'all send y'all money, just get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So we back at it again. We back at it. We're going to start the week off right. We're going to start the week off with a lot of gems. We're going to start the week off with a lot of information on how you can successfully become a thousandaire. A lot of people out there are trying to figure out how to make quick and fast money. There's a lot of people out there trying to figure out how to make $10,000 fast, how to make $20,000 fast, how to do 50, 100, whatever, right? And the only way you're going to make that type of money is having the type of knowledge to be able to do it. I don't care what it is in the world, whatever anybody's doing, the only way they're making it happen if they have the knowledge to do it. I don't care if it's fraud, scamming, doing computer work, getting loans, getting credit cards, cleaning credit, building credit, whatever it is, they're successful at it because they have the knowledge about it. They understand and they practice and they did what they had to do so they could be successful at it. They didn't just wake up and say, oh, I'm going to get a loan, and don't know how to fill out the paperwork or don't know the documents that they need or don't know how to make things, put things in order so these banks and lenders can give them the money. It's a lot of people that just hear a bad credit loan, they jump up and try to go apply, not understanding there's different factors that plays into you getting a bad credit loan. And those factors, I tell you how to overcome those factors so you can have a better success rate of getting approved for these loans. Because like at the end of the day, knowledge is power, and applied knowledge is power. If you know how to clean credit and build credit, then you know how to build credit and clean credit. You can do it with your credit, CPN credit, anything. You have the knowledge to do it. Just vice versa, saying, oh, you want this and you want that and don't know how to use it, and then you stuck. All right, so if you're not willing to learn, it'll never be your turn. Point blank, period. So knowledge is power. Be willing to learn so it can be your turn and you'll get very far. So before we go jumping into getting this Upstart, because today I'm working with people with a minimum credit score of 300, personal loans up to $50,000. But like I said, it's different factors that play into you getting approved for these high limit loans. Because first of all, if you're jumping up and you got bad credit and you're trying to get $50,000, ask yourself, why would anybody give me $50,000 if I have bad credit? All right. Second, in order to generate a credit score, you have to have certain payments monthly on your credit report. And if you're making those payments on time every month, you're going to have good credit. If you're not making those payments on time every month, you're going to have bad credit. Or for some people, they just don't have credit established at all, right? It's a lot of people who get cars in their names and start making payments, bad credit. It's a lot of people who get cars in their names, start making and do make the payments and pay it off. That's good. So when it comes to bad credit and bad credit loans and things like that, the factors are they want to see your payment history, what's your debt, and are you paying this off on time? Because if you're asking for 50, 30, 40, whatever, $1,000, and they go look at your credit report and they see that you got $60,000 worth of debt and you can't even pay that, why should they give it to you, right? So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is, because we're going to start cleaning our credit, we're going to start getting in tune with this credit, because like I told you guys in every video, credit is the number one money game in the world. All right, as long as you know credit, you can never go broke. All right, as long as you know how to clean and build your credit, you'll never go broke, because you automatically know how to build it, automatically know what to do with it, and automatically know how to get some money with it. All right, so first thing you want to do is get you an Experian account. All right, so once you get your Experian account, you're gonna be able to clock your credit, freeze your credit, and do everything that you need to do. See your debt, inquiries, collections, everything, your payment history, everything, right? So once you get you an Experian account, you're going to see your real FICOs, all three, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, not Credit Karma. That is not accurate. Get you an Experian account and pay $25 a month. Stop being cheap. All right, so once you get your Experian account, you start seeing what's going on. You're going to see your debt. Now, some people have collections, some people don't have collections. Some people have more debt than others. All right, so if you're somebody with minimal debt, cool. All you got to do is add trade lines. Trade lines will replace primary trade lines, so you won't have to go start getting so many things in your name and keeping up with the payments. We could just pay a set amount each month to have an X amount report to your credit for 60 months. Wow. So you get those trade lines. Like I told you, you can go to Trade Line Supply, $42,500 worth of trade line that could be added to your debt. And you can go to Coast Trade Lines and Trade Line Supply to get the credit card trade lines, which is authorized users. You can add those to your credit report as the credit cards. So now you got you a mixture, right? So boom. Now that so for anybody out there that doesn't have too much debt, that little bit of debt, just automatically go add those trade lines. For anybody that does have debt, you need to clean up your credit enough so you can start adding trade lines and you can start boosting your credit. So what you need to do is you need to freeze all three of your credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. Once you freeze it, because you'll be able to freeze it through your Experian account. Once you freeze them, then you're going to dispute all your collections. Now, it takes up to 15 business days to start seeing drop-offs on your credit report. And the ones that you're going to start seeing first are any old expired accounts. Now, if you have any account on your credit report that's 7 years or older, it's classified as expired. So those are going to see the ones you start seeing fall off first. And another thing, as long as your credit report, all three of the FICOs is frozen, when they go to check to see the accuracy of the account, they can't get in, so they have no choice but to delete the credit off your account. All right, the collections off your account. So once you cleaned your credit up, then you go add those trade lines that I told you guys about. All right, so once you go add those trade lines, let it marinate for at least 32 days, 45 days, so you can start seeing reported on your credit. You can start seeing you get a credit points boosted like that. So once you do that, then you want to go to Upstart and you want to apply for the $50,000, which is from $1,000 to $50,000. All right, and they work with people with 300 credit score and up. So depending on your credit score, depending on what your payment history is, depending on what you got going on, will determine how much you get approved for. All right, and they're working with people with a minimum 300 FICO. So without further ado, after you didn't listen and after you didn't heard everything I just said and you applied that to your credit report and you took those steps, then you want to go to Upstart. And now here's where we go to get that $50,000 personal loan. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Upstart. All right, a better way to borrow, low fixed rates, next day funding, consolidate debt, pay off credit card, refinance my car, something else. All right, so they got car loan, refinance, swap your car loan, and save average yearly savings of $1,085. Checking your rate takes minutes, no prepayment penalty. All right, so then you can personal loans, borrow $1,000 to $50,000. Checking your rate takes 5 minutes, no prepayment penalty, 43.2% lower rates as compared to a credit score only model. All right, so we're gonna learn more about that. So a personal loan for your needs, check your rate in 5 minutes, get funded as fast as 1 business day, 40% lower rates as compared to a credit score only model. All right, so flexible loan amounts, you can get a personal loan from $1,000 to $50,000. Fixed rates and terms, choose between personal loans 3 to 5 year terms and fixed rates of 4.6% to 35.99 APR. No prepayment penalties. You can prepay your loan at any time with no fee or penalty. All right, so they helped over 22.7 million customers. Check your rate, choose your loan, get funded, easy as that. So what can personal loan be used for? What is the unsecured personal loan? How fast can I get my personal loan? How much can I borrow with a personal loan? Can I get a loan with bad credit or no credit? If possible, some lenders and lending platforms provide personal loans for bad credit or no credit at all. Different lenders have different minimal credit requirements for their personal loans. At Upstart, our model considers other factors such as your education and unemployment in addition to your financial background. It is important to remember that while you may qualify for a personal loan with low credit, your loan may come with a higher interest rate. All right, so I told y'all they're dealing with people with bad credit, minimals as low as 300 FICO scores. All right, so and they CPN friendly. So they got different loans. They got the Explorer personal loans. They got the wet loans, home improvement, moving, medical, debt consolidation, credit card consolidation. All right, so Explorer loans. They got just different loans you can go check out. So you can just check your rate now, match you up. All right, so Upstart working with people with a minimum 500 credit score, CPN friendly, up to $50,000. You can get approved as long as you follow the steps and you do what you need to do to get approved. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about Upstart personal loans. All right, so let's talk about it. Upstart personal loans, they're giving up to $1,000 to $50,000 in personal loans for people who need it. All right, and like I told you guys in the beginning of the video, take those steps. Don't just listen to me, but hear what I'm saying, because a lot of people listen to things, but they don't hear nothing, and it just goes in one ear out the other. Y'all need to start paying attention and hearing what I'm saying, because it'll get you very far. If you start listening and hearing and connecting the dots, you'll start learning some things, and you'll be advanced at what you didn't know before. All right, so please listen and hear what I'm saying. Practice. If you need help, come get y'all lessons, because lessons is very helpful for people who are trying to get into this world of credit, get into the game, learn how to make money, learn how to be successful, learn how to make passive income, learn how to make thousands of dollars a day. You have to learn. You're not going to just wake up and say, oh, I'm going to be Michael Jordan, or I'm going to be LeBron James, or I'm going to be the best at getting credit loans, or I'm going to be the best at getting credit cards. Or no, you got to learn. You got to do it your own way that works best for you. All right, so make sure y'all taking that into consideration and actually paying attention, because there's so many different loans out there. There's so many different providers out there. There's so many different lenders out there that will actually give you money with bad credit. You just have to make sure everything is in correct order. And I'm not telling anybody to do anything wrong or negative, but there's always loopholes with some things. There's always people who learn things or find loopholes or do it in a way, you know what I'm saying, to benefit them. All right? There's always a way to do things the right way, the wrong way. If you understand that, you understand it. All right? So shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me, keep going. Y'all motivate me, keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me, keep y'all entertained. All right? So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, credit lessons is $600. I'm going to show you how to clean your credit, build your credit, get loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, the whole nine. $600. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Make sure the $600 is on your balance. Once it is, send me the screenshot, and we're going to go from there. If you do not send me the screenshot and you write me, I will not respond. Easy as that. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, one topic is $500 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. All right, so once you're ready to get your lessons and the payment is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot and we're going to go from there. And like I said, if you don't send me the screenshot, I will not respond. All right, so make sure y'all follow the instructions. Also, anybody out there looking to get FaceTime Unlimited Gems, $1,200 Cash App or Bitcoin payment. You can learn about CPNs. You can learn about how to make passive income. You can learn how to make thousands of dollars a day on social media. You can learn how to clean and build your credit, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit. Learn about any method at the method book. All right, and the limited gems has nothing to do with the Cash App glitch. All right, so don't think you're gonna get that for free with that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. You can learn how to do it, or you can learn information, but you're not gonna get that. All right, so that ain't that. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with that. Also, make sure you're getting y'all mentorships. It's going to be all the limited gems, plus I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make passive income together. All right, we're going to make these YouTube automation channels together. We're going to build it, grow it, start making some money. We're going to bust it down the middle. If you start making 20,000, you get 10, I get 10. If you start making 10, you get 5, I get 5. Easy as that. As long as you put in the same time, effort to grow and build a channel with me, we'll be A-okay. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on that mentorship. Also, anybody out there looking to get their in-person limited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state. All right, so if you come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit. The rest of the money will be in person. All right, so make sure y'all tap in with that. Come get these gems in person. Come learn how to make this money in person. Be willing to learn, be ready to elevate, and I guarantee you're going to make it happen, all right? Also, still looking for people for the production company. Still looking for people to build and grow and win with, all right? Still looking for actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen. Tap in, all right? Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into you and your career? Make it make sense. Let's win together. Any beautiful ladies out there, any models out there ready to grow, build their platform, get seen, get out there, tap in. Please make sure you got a good attitude. If you can't be corrected, you can't be directed. Don't deal with women with bad attitudes that think they know everything. I'm here to handle business. So beautiful ladies out there, you ready to work, you ready to put in the grind to work. Let's work. We're going to be traveling. We're going to be doing skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, music videos. We're going to be doing a lot of different things, all right? So you're going to get paid. We're going to make sure you get paid. We're going to make sure you get put in the right position to win. And we're going to make it work, all right? Teamwork make the dream work. Any cameraman out there looking to tap in, good editing skills, good camera, tap in. All right, still looking for a team. So, because content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that. All right, so let's win. Also, anybody out there looking to tap in with the Cash App glitch, don't miss out. $250, but prices will be going to $350 and Bitcoin payments only. All right, so while the limited time only, Cash App glitch $250 plus how to make 10K all profit a week and 1 free fulls $250. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, see me the screenshot. Let me know that you payment ready. If you do not see me that screenshot, when you contact me, I will not respond. Easy as that. So if you're not showing me that you payment ready, I'm not answering 21 questions or none of that. All right. So once again, Cash App glitch, how to make 10K profit a week, all profit plus 1 free fulls $250. Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Once the $250 is on your Cash App or Bitcoin balance, see me the screenshot. Let me know you payment ready and ready to go, and we're going to go from there. All right, so don't miss out on that. All right, so y'all know how I get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.